Okay, no problem.
All right, happy on the data side. In your Genesis main menu, you can click on your creditors. This will then open up the creditors module. Under transactions, you'll see your invoices, your debit notes, your journal processing, single batch, payments and reversals, allocations, claims and authorizations. We can go into the invoicing. It's pretty much the same as the debtor side. There are a couple of differences. Obviously that it's a creditor, not a debtor. You can select the account number, press enter, which populates. You can manually put in the document number, the reference, and you can go through all of these steps. Then you can post your invoice. Debit notes, can select the account. Hit enter, transaction date, reference. The reason for the code. These are what we currently have, which you can then amend or click on to select that specific one. We'll be using the advertising, the amount, the VAT allocated, VAT rate, etc., etc. Then you can post this debit note. Either you can press on F10 or you can just click on this option. Here's also the note side, where you can type in any relevant information. Same as the debtor side, the journals, the single and the batch. It looks exactly the same. Follow all the steps. Your payments and reversals. On your creditor payments, select the accounts that you'd like to use. Is the account, posting date, payment method, cash check, bank transfer, reference, amount, etc., etc. Here you can you'll be able to see the terms and allocations. You can click on F5 for allocations, F9 for unallocated, and here's the post payment option.
Can you just give me about
Payment reversal. Under payment reversal, you'll then see the account. Hit enter. There's an amount. You can select the payment, and there you can select reverse payment. Here's all that information. Here's the invoice, the details, the reference, the amount. And if you'd like to, you can press F10 or you can select reverse payment to reverse that payment. Sorry, under the payments, there's the bulk batch payments, same as on the debtor side. You can select that, which you can then use to bulk pay your allocations to allocate to that specific creditor. You can select the accounts, and there you'll see all the allocations that we have done. You can select the specific transaction. And here is all the relevant information with the amounts. We can select the allocations, and in allocations, you'll see there's also in-depth detailing of the allocations. Payment due dates, payment amounts, the periods, the GRV number, the document age. We have claims, same as the debtor side. We can create a new claim. Won't be going through that. We can then post the claim, retransmit, print the claim, view it, and we can see the audit trail. Under the audit trail, it shows you the specific audits on that. Authorizations of your GRV postings. Select the creditor. Here you'll see the account name and number. It is the main account, document reference, the GRV number, transaction type, the description, the dates, the totals, the VAT rates. We can select F5 or click on it to see the GRV totals for that creditor. You can see the total exclusive, inclusive, and the VAT amount. This is the supplier document totals. Under the master file in the creditors, here we can add a creditor, same as on the debtor side. We go put in a specific account number, creditor name, put it under the main account, fill in all the relevant information. Obviously, it all depends what information you need in that. It will prompt an error if you do not fill in all the relevant fields. There's the address, the financial information, credit limit, there's indicators, there's a notepad, some information on that creditor. In the creditors, we can search by the account number, the name, or the generic name. I typed in BEV and it auto-populated everything with the BEV in it. The information in that creditor. Under the master files, other master files, category master, here you can add a category, you can update it, delete it, or exit it. Here is the creditor groups, the buyers and order makers, the rebate codes, the claim reasons. These are all reasons as to why claims. You can add a reason, update it, delete. All specific to your desired needs. The reasons for the statement recon codes. You can add a line, update, delete, exit. The categories for the file master. As the rest, add, update, delete to whichever layouts or reason you like. Under inquiries, we've got the transaction audit, invoice search, invoice reference search, the GRV search, and the transaction summary. Under utilities, the statement recons. You can go select the specific creditor. There's nothing under this one. Your filing system, here's the file master. And add, update. Obviously, there aren't any in for the specific simulation database, but you can add whenever you need. Under utilities, under budgets, annual budget extract, you can refresh the current sales, rebates, rebate pre-claims, rebate claims, recalculate the items, range all rebates, master file utilities, the airtime voucher recon, the balance utilities. Here you can do the balance take on and the balance aging fix. Pretty much the same as the debtor side. This is the creditor side. Are there any questions under the creditor side?